Sorry, I have to find it.
All good, no problem.
Okay, here it is. And then let's share the screen.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see?
Yes, very nice. Let's press Open
Okay.
Editor. Very
Yes.
good. Okay, so I'd like you to tell me as much as you can about what we did
Mhm.
last time.
Okay. I Allora, last thing we did, I think, was booleans, if I remember correctly.
Mm-hmm.
The last thing, and then we did functions, some variables theory, data types, uh, like oh sorry, the difference between data and information, um, what we do as programmers, and I can't remember anything else right now. Right now.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Yeah.
Okay.
So we worked with numbers, strings, and booleans. These are
Yeah.
three
Yeah.
data types. We can perform arithmetic on each one. We could also perform algebra on each one. But the thing is, we
Right.
didn't really practice algebra with strings and booleans, and that's what we're going to do today.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
First, I'm going to give you a warm-up question, but I'd like you to zoom in like a few times with Control Plus.
Yes. 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 Like
A few more
this.
times if you can.
Yes.
Okay, this is perfect. Okay. All right. For your warm-up, I would like you to write a function that doubles the given number.
Mm-hmm. Um. Okay. I don't remember the syntax though.
It's
Sorry.
okay. It starts with fun, F-U-N.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Okay, what's
Yeah. And
next?
then I think parentheses, and then these are the inputs. So, which was the question again? What, a function that does what?
Doubles the given number.
Okay. So we have x, and then I think, and x equals, oh sorry, equals x times 2. Where is their asterisk here? X times 2, I think. And then
Okay.
we print x, right? So we have to put it here.
Okay.
I think I'm forgetting something though.
Yeah, a
Well,
few things.
let's
Okay.
try. Mm-hmm. So, okay, comma, space. Nope.
Okay. Let me ask you, how do we call this function?
Ah, yeah, right. Um, F.
Okay, let's call it something
Yeah,
different. What would be a more descriptive name?
yeah. Times. Oh, sorry. Times 2.
Okay.
Is this good? Okay. And then we have to do not x, but what it was times 2 with then we choose the number to be doubled. So we do 3,
Very good.
right? And I think this is it. Let's try. Um, okay. Colon, comma, this? No, impossible. I can't remember, sorry.
It's a colon.
Okay.
All good, all good.
Where?
It's right after the last parentheses.
Okay,
There we
right.
go.
Maybe it's okay. Sh- Well, I do have the parentheses here.
Ah, okay. It's referring to the function. It doesn't know
Ah,
the end
okay.
of the function.
I see, I see. Yeah. Um, so let's do like, sorry, this is graph. Like this.
Ah, okay. So not in this language. In this language, we don't
Uh-huh.
use brackets. So let's remove the brackets.
Okay.
On line 4, you have to write E and D.
Right. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah,
There we go.
sorry.
All good, all good. It's all coming back.
Um, this block ends with a let binding. Blocks should end with an expression. Expression.
Okay, so what is
What?
an expression? An expression is something that evaluates to a value. So 1 plus 1 is an expression because it can evaluate to 2.
So like
Yes,
this?
so X is an expression, yeah, so that will work.
Okay. Uh, Declaration of X shadows a previous declaration of X. Shadows.
So X is defined once on line 2. When you have the parameter X, we are defining X. And now
Uh-huh.
line 3, we're defining X again.
I see. Yep.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Okay. Let's try. Oh no. Well-formedness, standalone asterisk operator expression probably isn't intentional. Why?
Look at the first error message as well.
Ah, this expression contains a block that contains multiple expressions. Either simplify this block to a single expression or mark the outer expression with block to indicate this is deliberate. What does this mean? Mark the outer expression with block.
Oh, I'm not going to explain that in a moment because that's not the answer. That's something different. So let me ask you,
Okay.
how many answers should this function provide?
Well, one.
One. But right now there's two answers. There's line 3 and line 4. Both of them are different answers, right?
Yeah, the function gets run here. This should not. Yeah, yeah, you're right.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Okay,
Ta-da!
we got there.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, so,
So
yeah, so
sorry,
hopefully
I
all
had
good.
a really long week. I forgot literally everything. So I'm so sorry.
It's all good. No, don't be sorry. This is normal. Like humans, we forget stuff.
Yeah,
But what I'm doing right now is called active recall. I don't give you the
yeah, yeah,
answers. I get you to think on your own. And so when I ask you to do this again in the future, it will come back easily, more easily.
yeah,
Okay. All right. I want to teach you something new this time. Notice how it's, in order to know if it works, we have to write out on line 5 and run it, right?
yeah.
But that's kind of annoying. So I'm going to show you something new. Can you create a new line after line 3?
Three. Yes.
Yep. Write where, WHERE, colon, new line. Now let's cut line 7 to line 5.
Cut line 7 to line 5.
Yeah. Or move it. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Now I see what you mean. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay,
And then is on line 5. And then write the answer to that, which is 6. So is 6. Okay, let's
okay.
run it again. Ah,
Ah,
see
okay. So
what's.
this is like, does this pass the test that it's six? Okay, yeah, I understand it. Yeah,
Yeah, you can click
makes
on show
sense.
details as well. Yeah.
Yeah, so it shows that
Let's,
this function run with this input is six. Okay, makes sense.
yep. Let's write another test.
Yeah.
So you can create a new line after line
Arbitrary.
5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um, let's test for times two. Sorry. What am I doing? Okay. Why is this not working? I think I switched layout. Sorry. I have another
Oh,
layout. Yeah, yeah. That's why it wasn't working. Okay, now it is. Okay, so this, let's do by two, is four, should pass again, and we have both tests. Okay, yeah.
nice. Okay. That is just a warm up, by the way. That is just a
Yeah,
warm up.
yeah,
I'm gonna give you more problems now. Uh,
yeah.
so this is algebra, but with numbers, which is what you expect. I'm going to ask you now to do algebra with strings. I'm going to paste
Mm.
the problem statement here. You should be able to see it. Give me 1 second. Okay, I've just annotated. Oh, wait, it's not showing up. Huh. Okay, let me try that again. I don't know why that didn't work. Oh, okay, that's weird.
What
Can you
should
see my
it?
drawing?
No.
You can't see my drawing.
Where should I see it?
Oh,
I
oh,
can see
wait.
it from your screen sharing. I can see it.
Wait, but can you see on your screen now?
Let's see. Nope.
So
Like
you
on
can't
my
see.
screen? No.
Yeah.
But I can see it from the Zoom call. Like if I'm looking at the Zoom call, I can see
Yeah.
define the function string first. Yeah.
I don't want that because um I want you to be able to code and see the question.
Yeah, yeah, I know. I guess I understand. It's weird that it's not working. I'm on Windows right now. Remember last time I was on Linux?
Your Linux,
Uh,
okay.
yeah, and this time I'm on Windows. It's not working, so it's weird. It should work on Windows.
Okay. All right, I'll have to investigate this later. For now, I'll just paste the question into a Zoom chat, and I'd like you to copy the question and paste it into your code as a comment. Do you know how to write comments in this language?
Let's see if I can remember. I think it was either slash slash and then the text, or um, damn.
So, okay, I've just pasted the question. Could you copy that? And
Yeah.
to write a comment, you start with a hash. That's shift three.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I
So the
know. I
same as
remember.
Python.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, the function string first, which extracts the first character from a non-empty string. Okay. So we have a new function, which is fun times. I just noticed the pun. Okay. Uh, define the functions string first. And this should have an input, which should be a string. Do we have to do something to the input to define it should be a string? Do we have to
No,
put it in? Okay,
yeah,
okay.
that's fine.
Which extract the first character. How do we extract a character from a string? Let's do X.
Okay. So you don't actually know this yet.
Yeah.
So good. So this is our next part. So when you're learning a language, like in real life, you're learning a natural language, chances are you're going to find a word you don't know. And so you
Mm-hmm.
need to look up the dictionary, right?
Yes. Yes.
So that's the same thing in programming. People have built this language, and this language works in certain ways, and there are words in this language that you don't know. And you have to look up the dictionary for this programming
Right.
language. Um, so in programming, we call it documentation, or sometimes
Mm-hmm.
reference or manual. but in this language it's called documentation. So I'm gonna send you the dictionary for this language for string
Mm-hmm.
specifically. Give me one
Yeah.
second,
Okay.
sorry. I'm gonna paste it in Zoom chat now. If you could open that up.
Yes. Let's do this. Submit it here, and then drag it here. Okay.
Very
So
good.
this is the documentation,
So the
and we have
left-hand
to
side,
search.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So a quick introduction. The left-hand side is all your section headers. Right now, strings is where we want, but if on the left, if you scroll down, you can get a high-level overview of what all the words are, so you can do a quick look.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, good luck.
Yeah. Great. Um, String length. So we said before that uh, the string has to be non-empty. So I think we have to do a check for this with string length, maybe. Um, but let's first find whatever gets the first letter. String to number. Nope. Okay, this sounds exactly what I need. Um, Returns a new string created from the characters of the input string starting from start index and then the end index. Raises an exception if start index is greater than end index. So this is numbers, okay? Okay, an example. This is saying that. Okay, so this is basically another function, and this is the string, and this is the. Okay, yeah, this is literal exactly what I need. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, okay. Um, so we do this, and what I need is this. It's not this, but this is it. It's X, but this is a check, and I don't want a check.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah. So this should output the first character of X. Should we also include the part that I saw before, which checked the string length before running the whatever? Like because it said
Oh,
the first character from a non-empty string.
oh,
Do we have to put in a check for a non-empty string?
no, you may assume it's not empty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's a
Well,
cool question. All right, I'd like you to write test cases as well.
okay, yeah. So let's do. We had to state it here. Where column? Uh, string. I'm sorry. String first is let's do appendix and is A, right?
Okay,
Yes, I think this should work. Let's try.
let's try it.
Nope. Because it says you may need to add or remove some text to fix or look for column, comma, string, marker, or keyword. comma marker, string or keyword. Yep. Again, this. I forgot. Okay. This should work. No? Should this be with
Yes. Otherwise, you will think it's a variable. Now it's a string.
yeah. Yeah, no, makes sense. Yeah. Okay. Uh used but not previously defined. You may need to run the program or check dashes and capitalization in the name. This should also be a string. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Very good.
Yeah. Okay. Failed. Why? Where's the other test?
So you can click show details on
Oh,
string
this is it.
first.
Yeah. Um, left side was X. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, I thought you had to put it here, the brackets.
Mm.
You have obviously, yeah, when you define the input, you have to put it as a string. Okay, makes sense.
Okay. Yeah, so yeah, there's an important difference between strings and variables.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. All right. Could you create one more test just out of good habit?
yeah. Let's do where.
Oh, you don't have to write where again. You just write that next test.
Oh, yeah, you're right. So let's do this. Okay, and the test is train first. Mm, We'll do. Let's do and let's see a failing test. So is E. Okay. This fails because, yeah, it's not. It's not E. Okay. Right. Works.
Okay, can we fix that test?
Yeah. Let's do it just you. And it
Okay, now it
works.
works. Okay, very good. Do you know why I always ask you to write at least two tests?
Nope.
Okay, if you only write one, then you can
Uh-huh.
just write the function to produce that one answer and the test will pass. For example, let's say we keep line
Mhm.
11 only and we remove line 12. We can replace line
Mhm.
10 with the string A and the test will pass.
We can replace line 10 with the string A.
Yep, and the test will pass.
Yeah. I know what you mean. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why it's always good to have at least two tests that are very different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand now. Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm now going to give you your next challenge. Oh, can you fix that? Can you undo that?
Yeah.
Because I would like you to save this file for your future reference. That's why let's keep it clean.
Mhm. Yeah.
All right.
Can you undo in this or do we have to
Control
edit
Z.
the
So Control Z.
Yeah, it didn't do it. Oh yeah, now it does. I don't know
Okay.
why. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now works. Yeah.
Okay, this one
Let
is
I put
interesting.
also the second test. Yeah.
Yes, let's bring them back. Yeah.
Okay.
I've just given you your next task. Good luck.
Hmm. Okay. Let's see. Okay. This says let's do another. Can I replace this or should I
Oh
keep
yeah.
it?
Yeah, go ahead. You can
Okay.
replace it.
Define the function string last, which extracts the last character from a non-empty string. Last character. Okay. Should be pretty similar. Or is it? Let's try. We have to still define font. Sorry, has this has still acts as an input, still colon, and then We have to find whatever gives us the last. Well, let's read it again. Last character from, yeah. Okay, not this. Should we do something that gives us string length, and then we use this command and a
Function.
variable. Sorry, this
Yeah.
function and then a variable here, like instead of w- a fixed number.
Okay.
That should work, but I don't think it's the intended way. Um,
Just try it. If it works, it works.
sure, let's try it. Okay, so
Oh, oh yeah.
yeah, should be the same command.
Function.
Yes, again, sorry.
Yep.
Copy.
There's a reason why I'm insisting on the word function. It will only make sense if you keep doing a lot more sessions with me. You will learn
Sure.
why.
No, no, you have to get the terms right. Yeah, in every area of learning something. Okay, I have to have something to define the length of the string I'm checking. So
Okay.
this should not be this, like it should be another variable, and then um let's find the whatever the function is that gives us. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Okay, so I need this, and then this should not be this, but it should be. Hmm. Is it going to work if I put it here? Yeah, okay, it should work. It gives me the length because I define it when I'm given the input. Okay, yeah. So this gives me the length, but how do I um concatenate like whatever the result of this is into this? I should put this like in there. So I should do um this and then huh. This is really not the intended way, I'm sure of it.
Maybe.
This should be, what am I doing? No, well, maybe it's right. Like this. Should it work? Obviously, we have to put a check. Let's put an end first, so we know where the function ends.
Okay.
Um, what was the syntax for this? I need the syntax for string substring. Okay. I think may work.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. What am I doing again? Yeah. Last. Um, okay, not the word. We do um I don't know, function.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Um, and then is we're expecting an n, a string n,
That's very good.
not variable n. Okay. In my mind it works. So let's see if it works in practice too.
Hmm.
Okay, this doesn't work because why do I have a comma here? I don't know. Um, oh, yeah, we should have a comma here because we have to put X here.
Very nice.
Yeah, I think. Yeah,
Nice. Let's write one more test just to be doubly sure.
yeah, yeah. Let's do. Oh, sorry, I have to copy the whole line. No, no, that's not true. I did it right the first time.
Mhm.
Okay, this will do transformation. Oh, sorry, it's still am. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. That's
Um,
sounded funny.
and but okay,
Very good.
okay,
Great.
okay, it
Okay.
works.
So a few things to note. You saw the word index just now, right? When we refer to like getting a substring in the string. The word index,
Did I see it?
yeah, let's go to
Uh,
documentation. Do you see like end index, start index?
oh yeah, yeah, yeah. No, yeah, yeah, yeah. I did.
So the word it's like indexing into a dictionary. It's like you have a bunch of stuff and you're looking for something. The
Mm-hmm.
index is its position in what you're looking at, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like if you
Yeah.
go to a library, like a real life library, I don't know if people do that anymore. Books have indices, right? You can index for a book.
Yeah, yeah.
In programming, indices, like indices being the plural of index, it starts counting from zero,
Mm.
as you noticed. Why do
Yeah,
people
yeah,
start counting for zero in programming? I think there's a lot of historical reasons behind it. Honestly, I don't even know
yeah.
the answer, but that's just the way it is. Let's just say that's the answer for now.
Yeah, works.
Okay. All right. Now, let's go back to your program. I'm going to give you your next challenge.
Okay.
Oh,
Was this the intended way, or
okay,
was
there
it
is no
not?
intended way as long as it works, but there is a shorter solution.
Okay.
Can you go to the documentation?
Yeah.
Look for the function called string char at. It's the string char at.
Oh, okay. String.
It's slightly below substring.
Am I blind?
Uh, down one.
Oh,
There we
yeah,
go.
I am.
So yeah, string
Yeah.
char at is it. Notice how it does less, so you write less, right? It only takes in one number
Yes.
instead of two.
Yeah.
It does less in the sense that it only gives you one character as opposed to a whole substring. But
Mm-hmm.
because it does less, you write less. So it's more elegant.
Yeah.
Yeah, but either works, either or.
Okay.
All right.
So this returns a string containing the character at the string index and from string n. Okay.
Yes.
So, but does this like this returns the character at this position? But
Yes.
if I wanted to do the last, should I still use string what was it? String length and then
Yes.
do this shenanigan? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And then
Yeah,
you
yeah.
wouldn't need to write string length again, so it will be shorter.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Your next challenge. It's a bit of mathematics. Let me know if you need explaining on what the mathematics is.
Mm-hmm. Maybe I do. Probably. Okay. So let's see. Uh-huh. Copy. Place this. Find a function that consumes the two numbers x and y. Okay, so consumes means it has as inputs x and y, and then computes the distance of point x and y to the origin. Okay, right. Let's try. Um, we don't have a name for this one. I name it myself, and this is how should we call it? Distance 0. I don't know. Should work. Um,
Oh, I have
yeah,
to
there
give you a new
is.
Zoom link. This one's gonna expire.
Yep, sure.
Okay. So check your Gmail. I'll see you in a minute, okay?
Right. Bye bye.
Bye. All right, let's continue.
Yeah. So we were doing distance for these two coordinates from point
Okay.
0. So we have
All
to
right.
do
This time, I would like
this.
you to write the tests first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, um, what was the compute distance of point x and y? Like the diagonal?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, makes sense. How do you do um square root here?
Square roots. Oh, God. How do we find out?
Documentation.
Yes. Our dictionary.
Okay. Um, numbers.
Very good.
Um, oh, operators. So, it should be a fractionary power, right? Square root.
Mm-hmm. You could try
Uh,
your luck and control
oh yeah.
F. Oh, you found it.
Here
Okay.
it is. Yeah, blind sometimes. Okay. So square root.
You gotta scroll
Returns.
up. Scroll up a little
Sorry?
bit. That's square, not square root. That's square root.
Ah, yeah, 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 you're right.
Okay.
Okay, square root, right. Returns the square root of the given argument if the argument is the exact num and the perfect square, the result is an exact num. Oh, yeah, it makes sense. Okay. So it's just this. Well, easy enough. Sorry. We'll do. Um. So you said we had to do the tests first.
Yes.
Hmm. Can I? Um. Well, I'll just do it. Okay. Let's do distance 0, 4. We still have to put a column here for 5 and I don't know 2. Sure.
Cool.
Um. And then we do is, and I don't know what it should be. Let's try. So I should do basically the square roots of the two powers added, like the second power of both numbers, the sum of them, and then the square root of that, right? Do I remember
Okay.
correctly?
Yeah.
Okay. So we do square root of 5 squared, which is 25, plus 2 squared, which is 4. Okay, this is a rough number. Okay. 5.38.
Cool.
I don't like that number. How do they put this so this can pass the test? Is the question.
Oh, you can just write 5.38.
Should it work like that?
I think you might need more decimal points. Maybe
Okay.
like two more.
Okay. S- Sorry. Yeah, I lost the thing. Sorry. We was doing 25 plus 4. Okay. 38, 51, 64. 51, 64. Okay. This should work. So we were doing the test first, and then we have to write what gets us there. So we do this, but oh, sorry. This we should get the squared. Um, should we put another parentheses here when we
Uh,
do the sum of the
no,
two?
you don't have
Oh,
to.
okay, okay,
There's
okay.
no ambiguity because num square already has parentheses when you're calling the f with the 4, right?
I see.
Yeah.
So we do um like this, and then we do x and y, and then it should work, I think. Oh,
Okay.
we have to end. And am I missing something else? I think this won't give us a good result for some reason because it's before the the runtime of the function. I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe I'm wrong. Let's try. Um, what is it saying? The block is empty. It's complaining that I have where next to the definition of the function, right? Um, Look, I'll just cut it and put it like under it to see if that's the problem, and then I'll put it back in there.
Yes, that was the problem.
Okay,
Yeah.
great. It's failed because okay, yeah, I'm not writing that many numbers, or am I? Maybe I am.
Read the whole thing.
Right side was tempted to compare rough num. Okay, to an exact known Fourier equality, which is not allowed. The left side was, so the result of this was 5 point whatever, and the right side was whatever. Use is roughly as the testing operator or consider the within function to compare them instead. Okay, so in place of where, I should have this function called within, right? Am I understanding that correctly?
I recommend you just use is roughly, but within also works. Is roughly is just shorter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um, what does this mean as the testing operator like this?
Yes. So
Here?
what it says
Okay.
is right now, yeah, replace that with is roughly. There we
Okay.
go. Okay, let's run it.
Works. Ru- Works.
Very
Okay.
good. Okay, so normally I would ask you to write a second test, but since we're running out of time, I'm just going to move forward. I'm
Okay.
going to give you your next challenge. You may not complete it in time, and that's okay. Oh, by the way, do you want homework? I can give you homework if you want.
Uh, yeah, you gave it to me last time. I
Oh,
didn't have any time to do it, but
it's okay.
yeah,
It's okay.
give it to me.
All right, I'll give it to
I'll
you
do my
again.
best to do it.
But I mean, if you have time, it's okay. If you don't have time, it's also okay.
I'll
Oh,
do my best to do it.
okay.
If I have time, I'll do it. So, did you already
Yeah,
do?
typing into chat right now.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
All right, I just
Probably.
typed it in.
Yeah, yeah. So, okay, we do this, and then we replace this. Define implies the function consumes two Boolean values. Call them Sunny and Friday. Its answer is true if Sunny is false, or Friday is true. Okay, okay.
So most of my students struggle with this. Good luck.
Yeah, I can see why. First of all, I don't know. Okay, let me ask you a question.
Hmm.
True and false can be misunderstood by the language as variables, right?
Yeah, but if you write
Like you
true, it's
can
true. It's
define a true. Yeah, you can define a variable called true, right?
no, you can't. It will be a problem.
Okay. Yeah, that was the question. Okay. Okay. Let's start. And let's see where the problem is. Fun implies. So we have two Boolean values. Sunny. Sorry. Sunny and for like this, like with the logical operator here,
No, these
or
are parameters, right?
oh, okay,
How do we specify multiple parameters?
like with a comma.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, sorry. What is this called?
A
This case?
comma.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Friday. Okay. Okay, so we have to its answer is true if Sunny is false or Friday is true. So the answer of the function. Okay. Hmm.
Yeah, I'd like you to start by writing the test cases.
Okay.
Yeah.
Um, where implies and we have to put true, false. Okay. And this, by the rules, its answer is true if sunny is false or Friday is true. Okay, so this is should give us false. Is false. Then we do the, let's put an end. Okay. We have to do, okay.
Actually, I would like you to fill in all possible test cases. So in our case, there are only very
Yeah.
few possibilities, right? I would like you to have all possible test cases.
Oh, all possible, like a truth table.
Exactly, yes. We're making a truth table. We're
Okay.
encoding a truth table.
So we said true if sunny is false or Friday is true. Okay, so this should give us true. Oh, sorry, true. This should not be here. This is also true because this is false and this is also true, so it's double true.
Hmm.
And this is also true because no, so the true if sun is false. Yeah, it's true. Yeah. Okay. Um. So we have sunny and Friday. Okay. Let's do sunny. Huh? So let's think about the inputs. This should be like, okay, should be able to do sunny or Friday or Friday. Like this should be the language should understand it in my mind. But it's not what it's asking here. True if sunny is false or Friday is true. Okay, so we have to put a not here for sunny. I think maybe. Uh-huh. Should this work? First of all, this goes here. I don't know. Should work. Let's try. It doesn't because you need to add or remove some text to fix your program. Oh, yeah. Keep forgetting that. It works. Okay, great. Oh, Marvin went away. Well, work.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sorry, I was muted actually. I was saying some stuff. I realized I was muted. Yeah,
Ah,
so this
okay.
was like really impressive because like a lot of people struggle with this, but this was really smooth for you.
Hmm.
Okay,
Well,
so I
thank
got
you.
a reward for you for doing this so smoothly. I'm gonna type something and I'd like you to paste it into your editor and don't run it yet.
Okay. This should give us like an image of a
So
serpent.
you're saying it will give you an image. Okay. All right, let's paste it in. And you say that you think it will give you an image.
Yeah, it sounds like it. Like I should see a circle that
Okay.
I don't know if this is diameter or radius.
Okay.
And solid, I think this means like filled,
Okay.
like not empty, and the color is red.
All right, let's run
Yeah,
it.
that's a
Yes.
great circle.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Great.
So in this language, images are
Mhm.
a data type. So you've seen numbers, strings, and booleans, and now we see an image.
Yeah.
Like the data types you have seen, they capture very important information of the real world. Like numbers, they capture mathematics. Strings, they capture words. Language is a very important human construct.
Hmm.
And we have booleans to capture decisions and truth, another very fundamental concept. But an image isn't very philosophical, it's not fundamental in any sense, but it
Yeah.
is useful.
Hmm.
This language is designed for beginners, and many times beginners are children, and images are fun, so they have images in this language.
Yeah.
So as just like how we can perform arithmetic and algebra with number strings and booleans, we can perform arithmetic and algebra with images, which we'll
Right.
do next time. All right, actually, since I sent you the homework before, just refer to my previous email for the homework. It's what we're doing now
Okay.
is actually the homework I sent you.
Ah,
If you
okay.
have time, that's okay. If you don't, that's all right. All right, to end, what is one thing you learned today that stuck with you?
One thing I learned today. Okay. Well, the thing about the strings at first confused me a lot. Like the where should I put the brackets for it to understand that it should be a string as an input. And then you explained it great, and it worked out. And then tests like this was interesting. And well, the whole lesson was interesting, but yeah, those two things were the most interesting. The rest was an expansion of what where the concepts we had last time.
Hmm, cool. All right.
Yeah.
Uh, it's nice seeing you again, and I hope to see you again. All right,
Yeah,
bye-bye.
you will. Thank you very much.
Okay, no problem. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.